Managing customer relationships just got easier. Introducing the CRM system desktop and mobile app templates. A complete, production-ready Axure prototype with 95 pages of high-fidelity interactive screens. 95 professionally designed pages covering every core CRM module. From dashboard and calendar to leads, customers, contacts, opportunities, tasks, orders, payments, contracts, and role management. Everything your sales team needs, beautifully organized. Powerful features built in. Lead pool management with smart distribution. Opportunity funnel tracking with visual pipelines. Customer profiles with complete interaction history. Team and individual performance rankings on a real-time dashboard. Save hundreds of hours of design work. Both desktop backend and mobile app templates included. Fully interactive with realistic data flows. Compatible with Axure RP 9 and above, with lifetime free updates. Get the complete CRM system templates today for just $139. Visit AxureBoutique.com and start building your CRM prototype in minutes.